Today I'll speak about the measures of association, also known as effect size. Whenever you conduct a chi-square test, you check on the Pearson's chi-square statistic whether that is significant or not through the assessment of the p-value, that is probability value. You see, if the p-value is less than 0.05, then you conclude that the association is significant between the two variables for your chi-square test, both of which are categorical variables. But this just tells us that the association is significant. What is the strength of the association? So beneath the chi-square statistics table in SPSS, you get a table wherein you have the measures of association. The strength of the association. You have two statistics mentioned over there. One is phi and the other is Kramer's V. Phi is especially used for a 2 by 2 contingency table. Say in case you had two categorical variables, each having two levels, then you use phi. The value of phi and Kramer's V both range from 0 to 1. Wherein 0.1 means weak, 0.3 means medium, and above 0.5 means high strength or association between the variables. In case the crosstabs or the comparisons made by you are more than 2 by 2, in that case you use Kramer's V to interpret the strength of association. Similarly, when you do a ANOVA, in which there is one independent categorical variable having more than two levels and the dependent variable is continuous in nature. In case you find out that the ANOVA is significant, you go in for a post hoc test. And after determining where the differences actually exist, you need to find out the strength of those differences between the pairs, between the groups. The strength of the differences existing between the levels of your categorical variable. So for that, you check on eta squared value or omega squared value. Eta squared value tells you the variability in the dependent variable accounted for by the independent variable. Similarly, the same is told to you by omega squared. But omega squared accounts for the population variance. Eta squared restricts itself to the sample variance only. So that was all about measures of association. You can check out the references for these measures of association in a very prominent article by Cohen, published in 1992, a power primer. So you can check it out on Google Scholar and you can freely download the article from ResearchGate. Thanks a lot and see you next time with some more informative content.